How's it going, everyone? It's Rob from Paragon, and today I'm going to be showing you how to install your C8 Corvette Coupe engine bay dress-up hardware kit. This little kit only requires a couple minutes, couple tools, but will completely transform the look of your C8 Coupe engine bay. Let's get to it. So in order to get your new hardware kit installed, we are going to need to remove the existing OEM hardware. Now, there are 3 sections that we are going to need to remove: the T15s on the outside and rear bumper, the 3 on each hatch support bracket, and the 4 on your strut bars. There's no specific order to doing this, but I do like to go one by one, taking out the old OEM ones and putting in the new dress-up kit, simply because if you take out all 3 on this hatch support bracket, there's nothing holding that to the car and your deck lid is likely to fall on you, and we don't want that. So that's the reasoning. I'm just going to be going one by one in each area, and we're going to get these installed. So in order to uninstall your OEM ones, like I said, the small ones are going to need a T15, and the bigger ones here in the center on your strut bar and hatch support bracket are going to both be T40s. Now, when you go to install your new bolts, that is also a different pattern. The bigger ones that are replacing the T40s are going to be a hex or Allen, a 5mm, and the smaller ones replacing your T15s are now going to be a hex or Allen 2.5mm. So that is the old and new specs of the bolts. Without further ado, let's get going. Out with the old, in with the new. And when you are tightening these down, keep in mind they don't need to be any kind of crazy cranked down. They just need to be nice and snug, hand tight. These are titanium, so they are soft, so you don't want to crank them down. Otherwise, you do run that risk of stripping them, and that is not fun. So just be careful, tighten them down, hand tight, nice and snug. That's all you need. So now that we're done with those, they look awesome. We are gonna finish with the T15s on the outside. So we're gonna switch our tool to the T15, go one by one removing these, replacing them with the new Allen or hex-headed 2.5mm dress-up bolt instead. Let's get these done. All right, so now that we're completely done with this side here, we're gonna move on to the back bumper. Now, I do wanna tell you there is a hidden T15 here on the sides that's pretty easy to miss. It's right above the taillight, and if you're not looking for it, you can certainly forget it. You really have to be bent over the car in order to see it and access it. So just don't forget about that one. That way you don't have a oddball T15 sticking out there on the edges. So let's go ahead and get that and move on to the rear bumper. And there you guys have it. We now have all the dress-up bolts fully installed, and wow, this engine bay looks incredible. I couldn't be happier. You already know I had to go with the green color, but if green isn't quite your thing, no worries. We've got you covered with a ton of different titanium colors as well. So if you want to be like me, transform your C8 Coupe engine bay, stand out at the car show, just that little attention to detail with these dress-up bolts, head on over to the links in the description down below and get yourself an engine bay dress-up hardware kit. Now you know how to install it. Hopefully this video was helpful and you enjoyed. If you did, be sure to let me know by leaving a like down below, comment, and subscribe. As always, I'm Rob from Paragon, and I'll see you guys in the next video.